A pristine new highway. Price tag, $1 billion. But that's not the end of the investment. Ongoing repairs, repaving, and inevitable total reconstruction mean that the cost keeps increasing as the quality of the road deteriorates. Almost immediately, large trucks and huge amounts of traffic begin to take their toll. Pretty soon, surface cracks become deeper cracks that eventually reach rock and soil layers supporting the pavement. The cracks allow water to seep under the pavement, which in addition to the constant pounding of large trucks and increasing amounts of traffic lead to the deterioration of the rock and soil layers. The cycle continues as traffic and water seepage take their toll. Rock and soil begin to become one continuous layer of mush. At various points during the life of a highway, pavement is applied, providing a temporary fix to the surface, but no help to supporting layers underneath. Quickly, cracks reappear. The weight of constant traffic begins to create ruts in the pavement, which collect water that speeds the breakdown of the road and contributes to unsafe driving conditions, not to mention a bumpy ride. The cycle begins again. Each new layer provides less and less benefit. The rock and soil layer has deteriorated so much that it simply can't support the roadway above. Eventually, a total reconstruction of the highway becomes necessary. Without action, the highway continues to fall apart at an ever-increasing rate, causing less safe driving conditions, wear and tear on vehicles, and a growing price tag to rebuild the highway.
Rhino is the first online bitumen platform, and we are here to help you. To continue shopping, click on the link above.